light doesn't come on. They replace the bulbs and still didn't come on, so we're going with the bad ballast. There's no power on the other side anyways. But definitely, light switch, turn off the light, make sure there's no power before you start. Alright, changing the ballast is pretty easy. It's just wire for wire. There's a red, there's blues, and there's the 120 volt in the neutral. This I don't quite understand. Got both of them. They decided to put extra wire nuts in. That's not necessary. Alright, so there's a new ballast. I'm cutting these back and shortening the wires. Same on this one, the red one I cut it back. I always treat these like they're live. And I always take them off first and then hook them up last. But I always treat these like they're live because someone will walk in and wonder why the lights are off, and then they try to turn it on and it doesn't feel good. Had that happen. Even though you tell them, you put something on it that says don't turn on the light. They're going to turn on the lights for some stupid reason. So I always treat them like they're live. Alright, it's all back together. I think one of these bolts are good. I'm not sure both of them are good. But also, if there's no cover, you have to put them in these little plastic barriers in case they fall, they don't shatter all over the place. Let's turn it on. Oh, look at that. They both work. Yay! It's a nice little break from the 107-degree weather out there doing ACs. Now I have to go back to doing ACs.